Welcome dear children to e-learning classes. Today we shall continue with our English chapter number 4, My Elder Brother. Now second scene, the final exams are over and the results are out. Bhaiya, alas, I have failed once again. Munna, oh, but Bhaiya, I have passed and topped my class. Now there is only 2 years difference between us. Bhaiya, but my dear brother, don't be so proud. You have passed only one class and you think that I am stupid and you are smart? Once in a while in a gilli danda game you might get lucky and hit a goal, but that does not mean you have mastered the game. You have to work hard to be successful in life. When you have to study a subject like algebra or geometry in higher classes, then you will understand the importance of hard work. In geometry, if one writes ACB instead of ABC, the answer is marked wrong. The examiner will not spare you. They want you to learn word by word from the textbooks. Munna, oh Bhai Sahab, that is scary. I don't think I want to go to the 9th class now, but I will still complete my day's homework so that I get no punishment in class. Bhaiya, just today we were asked to write a short essay on the topic of punctuality in 4 pages. And imagine, can something be written on 4 pages and still be short? It's also messed up. Munna, thinking aloud. Thank God it was time for school, or else the scolding would have gone on and on. Here we see that how Munna every time gets scolding from his brother. Now comes scene 3. The results were out once again, and it so happened that Munna passed and Bhaiya failed again. Bhaiya was really upset. Munna was also sad seeing his brother so unhappy. Bhaiya now becomes gentler with Munna. Munna becomes naughtier because of this and studies even less than before. Munna, talking aloud. Ha, I am lucky. I can pass easily. I need not study so hard. Now I can play games with my friends and fly kites. But I should still be careful that Bhaiya does not see me flying kites. One day a kite is flying slow downward. Munna starts running in order to grab it. Suddenly he comes face to face with Bhaiya. Bhaiya, catching hold of Munna's hand. Aren't you ashamed to be playing kites all day long? Don't you realize that now you are in 8th class and are not studying in a lower class? If you think that I am just one class ahead of you and I can't say anything to you, you are wrong. I am 5 years older than you are and will always be. Understanding doesn't come only from reading books. Look at Ma and Baba. Ma has never gone to school and Baba has only passed 5th class. Munna, really Bhaiya? Is that true? Bhaiya, yes, there are 1,000 things that they know more than you and me. And even if we have studied the wisdom of the whole world, Ma and Baba will always have the right to explain to us and correct us. Now, what would you do if I were to fall sick today? Munna, I don't know, Bhaiya. I would tell Baba and he would rush to the hostel. Bhaiya, I had expected this answer. Now Baba would not get upset. He would first try to find out what was wrong and then he would call a doctor. Baba would know exactly what to do. They have more experience than us. Munna, with tears in his eyes. Bhaiya, I am sorry. What you say is true. Bhaiya hugs Munna lovingly. Bhaiya, I also like to play and fly kites. But if I also play, then how can I watch out for you? You are my responsibility. Munna. I love you, Bhaiya. Now, dear children, here we have seen the love and affection between two brothers. The elder brother always is scolding the younger brother, and the younger brother is always listening to him, and we can see at the end how they both love each other. I hope, dear children, you have understood this chapter. Thank you for watching the video.